What's going on, humans? It's your boy Working Wayne, back with another one. Let's check it out. This is a 2016 Toyota Corolla. We'll show you guys how to take apart the front bumper, take off that fender and the door. Let me show you the points for the bumper, and then we will deal with the fender after the bumper. Y'all see a little tab right there? Move that one, and this thing snapped off. So the same thing for the other side. On top of here, move that clip right there, that screw, that clip. For the bottom, you see these? It's 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move one of those 6 screws and the bumper pops off. All you gotta do is pull it off, alright? Now I will show you how to take off the bumper and the fender. Stay tuned. Move these 2 clips. See that? Comes right off. These 6 bolts that's up underneath is a number 10. You could also use a Phillips also, but both of them work the same way. That's it. Now you move all the clips and bolts, you pull it off. Here's the clip right down there. Remember? You're gonna pull this back, and there is 2 clips that's hidden. That is right there. Pull the grill back, and there's 2 clips that's hidden right there. You take them 2 clips out, it comes off. That's how you do that. It's like it's broken. Undo that. Now I'll show you guys how to take off this fender. Come with me. Now move them 2 screws right there. Need a clip puller. Take that piece out of there. Get that screw from there. Remember, number 10. Okay, from the you're gonna use a hammer and something sharp to chop that off. Get your hammer and something sharp and chop these off. Now you're gonna move this 1, 2, 3. Move them 3 tips out the way. You're gonna push back the liner. Once you push back the liner, this black piece inside there, snatch it out of there, take it out. Oh, there's a bolt right there, right there. See? That's it. Get another bolt underneath here, 2 of them. Chop that piece off. Okay. Once you take them 2 bolts from the bottom, pull it off. See? Nah, move that piece out of the way. Like his screwdriver. Man, comes right out. See? Another screw right there. Bang. On top of here, move. You're gonna move that piece out the way. On top. But there's a bolt right there. See? Right there. You got 2 on top. You're gonna open the door. There's another one right there. Take it out. Comes right off, baby. Like butter.